Okay, the guys really do have the couch.
Yeah!
This is crazy. This is our fire.
This is my boyfriend.
These are our friends. If you can even see them in the dark. I just want you to know you can like barely see the outlines of your faces. And this is the epic couch coming down. And they really are throwing this thing in the fire pit.
Are you sure you wanted to go, Carol?
I really don't care if it goes. Yeah, I know. It's going.
Here it goes, Carol.
Alright, it's going on the fire. I can't believe we're doing this. We've just all had just a little bit too much to drink tonight.
Flip it. No, go this way.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Connor, you got the hose. Oh my god. Oh my god. Connor, you got the hose, don't you? Trust me, we're not going to need gasoline. This thing is just going to go.
No, it's going right there. Look, there we go.
Okay, there we go.
That's
nice.
Oh my God. There must be a certain amount of satisfaction from burning this couch, Rich.
Gasoline on it.
We don't need gasoline, trust me. It's going right up. The entire back half of it is completely burned completely off.
Nothing. It's empty, dude.
Here we go, on this side. Oh yeah. That is the bed of the couch. And then here we go.
We're going to run out of couches.
We are out of couches. One is all we get. Okay, we're not burning any more couches in the house. Okay, no more couches go on the fire.
So with the picture.
We're going to be like driving down the street.
When it catches the top part, then it'll start to go.
Oh, there we go. There she goes.
Here it comes.
And if the cushions were any indicator, this fire is going to get big. Really quick. No, we're not taking the mattress. Do not put the mattress in there. We do not want to be here till 1 o'clock in the morning burning the couch. And someone's got the hose.
We can buy all bed mattresses. We can buy all bed mattresses.
Look at that. That is freaking epic.
We can buy my old bed mattress.
This was your couch, not so much ours. We only had it for like 3 months.
This was our couch. Hey.
I just keep backing up, man. That's all I know. So I keep backing up. Rich, that is burning at record speed. There's like nothing left of it already. All I can see is metal frame. Oh my gosh.
Hey Connor, watch.
Whoa!
Oh! Connor, you got the hose?
It's so hot.
Okay. Make sure you keep that left side. Thank you. Safe. Yeah, that's going to burn really, really fast. There's not going to be much left of it. I know, it's crazy. Oh my gosh, what a good time tonight. This has just been freaking epic. I can't believe they put the couch out here. You guys had no planning for this. Oh my god. Okay, there's the armrest, and there's the back, and oh my gosh, whatever's left in the middle. You can't even get close to this thing. It's burning so hot. Okay, hey, Taylor, this is starting to get really hot on this side. Can you do this side? Can you do this side? It's starting to get like smoke. Thank you, dear. Starting to smoke on that side. Alright, we're trying to control the fire so it doesn't get out of control. I don't know how much you control the fire because of the... Oh my goodness. What a crazy night.
I want to go to Carol's wine.
Wine night. Wine night has become margarita, mixed drink, shot, and everything else in between night. Oh my gosh. Alright. That's it. The couch is just going to burn until there's nothing left. Well, that's one way to get rid of the couch. Look, there's like nothing left but like the metal frame. You can't see that in the film, but that's all there is. Okay, goodbye.